When it comes to traveling to different countries, whether for business or for pleasure, it's usually important to have a luggage that can not only simply recognize but also good enough to hold your personal belongings. But then again, carrying additional luggages can also be costly if you're traveling by flight. So, how much luggages do you really need? Whether you're on a long or short trip away from home or trying to figure out what type of luggage to bring with you, getting a nice luggage bundle would be better than buying single luggages individually and can save you more money that way. We've got the best 5 luggage sets that may actually benefit you, whether you're looking for a new luggage set or shopping around for the first time. So keep watching until the end to learn more about them. Welcome to Review Nerds YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing some cool products for you that you might enjoy. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever we upload a new video. Also, please like this video and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Luggages can either be between small and large size bags. You may have seen people commuting with hard cases on wheels or those with duffel bags. It's also common to see small luggages with wheels being carried inside a plane as a carry-on. So there are definitely a lot of choices to select what kinds of luggages suit you. Road trips aren't much of an issue depending on which vehicle you're using. But if you're traveling through an airline, here's a tip you'll need to keep in mind. You'll need to consider how much luggages you're willing to bring, whether you need to put some through a check-in or a carry-on onto the plane. It's also important that you'll be covering the cost for those check-in luggages if it wasn't covered during your booking. The weight of your luggages is also important, so you'll have to research the airline how much they allow for you to bring onto the plane. While there are many ways and guides to travel smartly depending on the trip you're going to, having a luggage that is securable, easier to carry or move with, one of these top 5 luggage sets is definitely for you. And if you like what you're seeing as we walk you along throughout this video, you can find more information and how to purchase each of them just through the links located in the description below. Now let's start off this list right away with number 1. Coolife Family Hardshell Spinner Set. For this luggage set, you can get either in a 3-piece or 4-piece set for a family size bundle. You can select a perfect set for you and your family from a variety of colors. This is considered one of the few best family sets that are great for group traveling. Each of them are equipped with built-in TSA locks, multi-directional spinner wheels for smooth and silent motions, as well as durable design that can hold up well for international travels. Furthermore, each of them have a fully lined interior. For a 4-piece family set, it comes with 16, 20, 24, and 28-inch sizes. For this specific set, they are backed by a 2-year warranty. This is ideal for families who would occasionally travel internationally, which will allow their belongings to survive through those hardshell cases. Number 2. Kenneth Cole Reaction Renegade 3-piece Luggage Set. This 3-piece set comes in a more luxurious price, but its features prove how durable and lightweight they can be for you. Available in various colors, these luggages come with 8-wheel multi-directional spinners for effortless handling, along with a turn-resistant, fully lined interior, ergonomically designed retractable trolley handles, and molded corner guards that can absorb and deflect shock for maximum impact resistance. The only downside is the lack of built-in locks, so you'll have to provide your own locks for this set. Other than that, this luggage set comes with the best durable spinners for easier traveling, especially if you need to handle moving your luggages alone. Number 3. Travel Select Amsterdam 8-piece Set. If you want something that comes with more variety of bags and luggages in one set, you can definitely try this one out. Compared to the previous 2 options, this 8-piece luggage set is actually more affordable on this list. There are a variety of luggage sizes, including 3 suitcases, a travel tote, and 4 sizes of packing cubes. Additionally, there are zippered compartments on the interior and exterior of each item, and the suitcases feature telescopic handles with buttons for better convenience. The suitcases only come in two wheels. However, so unless you prefer a suitcase that needs more wheels for better traveling when on foot, this luggage set is great for a family or for those who want a variety set that can offer more flexible choices of which suitcase to bring. But before we continue, if you like the products we have featured so far, please don't hesitate to check out the links for these products just below in the description, where you'll find more information about each of these products and how you can purchase them online. We've still got 2 more luggage sets to show you, so don't go just yet. Let's finally continue on this list with number 4, American Tourister Moonlight Hardside Expandable Luggage. If you like something in style but also ergonomic and sturdy, you can go for this 3-piece luggage set that we found on this list. It's also quite affordable and comes in slightly 3 different sizes, including 21, 24, and 28-inch size suitcases. Each of the luggages is hard-sided and provides a spacious interior with zippered pockets and straps for secured clothing. Additionally, they come with 4 spinner wheels and push-button locking handles that are expandable up to 1.5 inches. Anyway, this luggage set is ideal for those who want a more elegant style but also durable suitcases for travel. It's also quite affordable and comes with a 10-year limited warranty. Last but not least, number 5, Samsonite Winfield 2 Hardside Expandable Spinner Set. For a more hefty price, this 3-piece luggage set offers the best security for your belongings and ultra-durable polycarbonate construction. For this luggage set, you can get a 20-inch carry-on along with a 24 and 28-inch size suitcases. Both of the latter suitcases also come with a 1.5-inch expansion, allowing you to pack more items and compression to keep your clothes neatly pressed. Each suitcase comes with side-mounted TSA locks to help prevent any theft, as well as 4 multi-directional spinner wheels for effortless mobility and are also lightweight. They also have a self-retracting carry handle that maintains low profile when not in use. Although this luggage set is the most expensive than the rest on this list, you can't deny the benefits of having your belongings secured, as well as its durability when it comes to traveling long distances, such as international travel or road trips. If you're looking for an upgrade or want the best set with much more security and durability, definitely go for this one. And that's all of the best 5 luggage sets that are ideal for you. So what do you think? Which luggage set seems more suitable for you? Whatever the case, if you're interested in any of these luggage sets that are featured in this video, you can find the links to their store pages just down below in the description, where you can read up more information on how to buy them online. And that's it for today's video. If you stay this long, consider subscribing to Review Nerds and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss out on our future content. Please like this video, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.